Sanibonani bafowethu, ngiphinde nginibingelele. Ngifuna nje ukuthi siqhubeke ne-update ka Fidel Adams, lo we-National Coloured Congress. But ke because iziningi into ezenzeka kuleya ndoda, ngifuna sike siqale sibuke ukuthi ufike njani eParliament, because abantu abaningi bebekhala ukuthi umuntu onjengo Fidel ufika kanjani eParliament kwenzakalani. So I thought ukuthi mangiqale ngiyobuka inumbers zakhe ukuthi zihamba kanjani. And ukungena kwakhe eParliament ungene because iparty yakhe ithole amavote angango 37,422. So leyo nto leyo bese yamgunyaza ukuthi akwazi ukungena eParliament. Uma usebamabela kama seat kozokhumbula ukuthi mawusuthola amavote kubese kusherwa ama seat ke manje kubonakala ukuthi since uvotelwe ngabantu abawu 37,422 mawufika eParliament labantu laba kumele bemelwe nguwe lapha eParliament. So iparty yakhe ivotelwe ngabantu abawu 37,000. Then iparty yakhe ke since bekawu number 1 bekayena first choice umuntu ozongena eParliament or kuleso sikhundla uma bethola amavote. Wasungena ngaleyo ndlela ke eParliament ngokuthi bathola ama seat amabili. Uzokhumbula ukuthi iParliament yonke ithatha abantu abawu 400. So akulo 400 ama seat amabili abelonga ku NCC, le political party yakhe uFidel Adams. Kanti futhi ke nase Cape Town ke uzokhumbula sisivota kabili, sivotela unational kanye no local. So eWestern Cape le kuthiwa i-regional ballot wathola amavote awu 47,188, okumenza lokho abe neseat kwiParliament yeprovince. Uzokhumbula ama province wonke ase-South Africa anama parliament wawo, so bane seat nakhona, so baba represented. Now ngifuna nje ukubonisa ukuthi lo muntu esikhuluma ngaye la bakhona abantu ababelieve kuye, ababona ngazuthi uyena nkokheli right for bona. Uzokhumbula ukuthi even ngesikhathi court bekhona abantu ade bemsupporta from i-political party yakhe. So lokho kuyakubonisa nje ukuthi abantu bayasupportana emhlabeni, ukuthi ithini into yakho. I don't think ukuthi bayinaka kakhulu. Now uFidel unikezwe amalanga amathathu kwiMadlanga Commission ukuthi akhulume aveze yonke lento ayikhuluma, because bekhona into ekade ingenzisa isense kwiMadlanga Commission. Uzokhumbula ukuthi yonke lento le ekhona namhlanje uye umuntu owasusa yonke lento le. Ngokubeka kwakhe uthi kwafaka ama document ngaphansi kumnyango wakhe. And mase sibuka isize yalama documents akhuluma ngawo, uze washo nalapha kwiMadlanga Commission hey ngathi semaningi lama document kuye ngazuthi semaningi ukudlula la engangiwabonile kuqala. Now umbuzo omkhulu uthi ke manje kanti umnyango wakho uphakame kangakanani ukuthi sowungazofake ama document angaka ngaphansi komnyango, unless ke khona umuntu wavula umnyango nje wafaka wahamba. So abanye ke intatheli bezize zijoke naye maze imthola zithi hey kanti umnyango wakho ungakanani la ngaphansi, okusho ukuthi kungangena nezinyoka, kuyomela iParliament ikulungiselele umnyango, because akwazi ukuthi kungangena into ezinkulu kangaka ngaphansi komnyango wakho. Kusho ukuthi ziningi into ezingangena nezinambuzane nani zingangena ngaphansi komnyango. So now iMadlanga beyifocuse kakhulu ekuthenini yini emenza ayovula icase eGoli esuke eWestern Cape, wathatha iflight wagibela washona eGoli. Nakhona mayefika eGoli abahamba ngeflight uzokhumbula ukuthi mawehla nje eOR Tambo, iOR Tambo ine airport kufana naseDurban station le yamabhasi, kune police station khona laphana. So ayidingi ukuthi mawehla eThekwini uhambe uyoshona eMlazi uyovula icase. But uFidel yena into ayenza wathi mayehle eOR Tambo wayeka ipolice station ese-airport, wayeka ipolice station ese-Kempton Park, wayeka ipolice station ese-Tembisa, wahamba uyivula le eSoweto icase. Now umbuzo kade ubuzwa kakhulu ukuthi yini ekwenza uyovula icase kude kangaka. And yena makasho uthi cha bekangabathembi abantu abase-Western Cape because amadokethi ayalahleka, yingakho wazwabhalela umchunu. And iMadlanga Commission bekubonakala ukuthi ayithandi lento ayenza, because uyabona ukuthi uqamba amanga. U-evidence leader nje umama uNcube laphana uze wamtshela wathi mfethu wena unamanga, emtshela nje straight, wavuma noFidel wathi cha ngiyazibona nami ukuthi nginamanga, but ke ngisayishwanqathela nje kwamanje, ngisayikha nje noma kuphi. Into engiyinotisile ukuthi ekugcineni kuyo yonke lento le kwiMadlanga Commission uFidel ugcine sebona ukuthi kudlalwe ngaye la. Ugcine ebona ukuthi labantu ade skimene nabo akubona abantu akade befuna ijustice, kodwa ngabantu akade befuna ukumdlala. Because even uzokhumbana naseParliament, ngizofaka nje le video la eParliament ukuthi wayenconywa uFidel Adams, enconywa uMalema ethi wenza umsebenzi oright, umsebenzi wakho vele ukuthi uhambe uyovula ama-case. So wayem-encourage ukuthi wenze kahle ukuthi avule le case le eyabe sifaka uDinoma Mukwelo kanye nabanye eyinkingeni le eyabe sireportwa ubaba uMkhwana. So ngifuna nje sike sibuke le video then bese singena ke sibuke ukuthi kuyo yonke le 3 days bekathini kahle kahle uFidel Adams.
Ever try to tell you nonsense. There's nothing wrong you have done. You come across information, you go to the police. And what police do with it is none of your business. You have reported it to the authorities. That's how it works. Where should you take that information to? To the same corrupt politicians who are in cahoots with thugs, whose political parties are formed with blood money, and tell you, no, take parliament, take it to parliament. Which law is that? You come across nonsense, you report it to the police. It doesn't matter who is being implicated in the nonsense. There are no holy cows here. There are no holy cows here. We are here to investigate wrongdoing. It doesn't matter who has done it. No one. No one is above this constitution. No one is above the law. No one. I would have done the same. I did the same in 1998. When some of them were in Pampas, I reported SARS rogue unit. It was reported by me for the first time. And where did I get that information? The same way you got the information. Sneaked under the door of the ANC Youth League when I was the president of the Youth League. That we were being listened to by the SARS rogue unit, all those who support Jacob Zuma at that time. So how you get top secret information and things like that, there is no formula. You reported that matter to the police. That's the beginning and the end of it. Do they want something from you? If they are legit, they call you, you give them whatever you have. That was the right thing to do. That's what we members of parliament must do. We come across anything, we report it to the police. How are you going to know that it's top secret if you don't open the envelope? How do you hold an envelope like this intelligently and say this is top secret? Because you have to open the envelope and you have to find it written top secret for you to declare it top secret.
I believe Honorable Skosana knows how.
So there is absolutely, members of parliament have got a duty to report wrongdoing to the police. They can still come here and hold the authorities accountable, but that doesn't take.
Now that we bukele le video ya notice ukuthi uMalema bekamsupporta encoma nje ukuthi wenza kahle ukuthi kuvulwa ama case. Abanye abantu abayinambithisisanga kahle lento because sokhumbula ukuthi uMalema yonke lento leni ibifaka abantu azwana nabo o General Khan egcineni. So bebenento ethi mhlambe it's because of beka encourage lo mfana lo baba lo ukuze ku protecteke abantu azwana nabo, but ke asina proof ya lento le. Now enye into inotisayo is that njengoba ngisho eqaleni ukuthi inkinga enkulu was bebembuza ukuthi yini ekwenza uvula ama case eGoli. Now makayiphendulela uFidel Adams of which iMandla Commission ivele yabona cha angeke sisibhayile lesi story. Uthi wavula ama case eCape Town. but wanento ethi lama docket ngeke afike la kumele aye khona bazowa interceptor, that means azothathwa ngabantu abathile aphinda lahleke. So he decided ukuthi makaye wavula ngisho eGoli ama case akhe, and uma bembuza yini enzi wenze lokho because awunabo ubufakazi bokuthi bewazolahleka lama documents eCape Town, because at least if ubowuthi ngavula icase eCape Town then alahleka ama documents, then ngase ngiyovula kwenye province because sekubona ukuthi alahlekile. But kuyabonakala ukuthi bekuyinhloso ukuthi ayenze lento avule ngapha nangapha, because athi angakalahleki nokulahleka wabese shona eGoli eyovula khona ama documents, eyovula khona icase ngalama documents ngale bufakazi ayebutholile bafakwe ngaphansi kumnyango wakhe. Now uveza igama lika baba oseshonile ke kodwa manje ekuthiwa angazoma ngizothi general orin but bekayiphoyisa before esebenza lapha kwa crime intelligence. So uthi uye encourage ukuthi makavule ama case endaweni ezahlukene. No general Andrea Lincoln uthi uyena encourage ukuthi makavula ama cases kuphi eGoli. I-problem ngale ubufakazi abukhulumayo uFidel Adams is because akasekho lo muntu emhlabeni lo aphika ngaye, of which ngesazi ke manje ukuthi umfaka ngaphansi kwebhasi usevika ngaye because engekho. But ke interesting enough, unkosikazi wakhe uGeneral Andrea Lincoln wenze ivideo evuma ukuthi yena no Fidel Adams nendoda yakhe bayazana, of which ke manje angiunderstandanga ukuthi uvuma kanjani ukuthi usupporta lo muntu ongcolisa igama lendoda yakho ukuthi iyo eya create yonke le chaos le. Wena as umfazi uyavuka wenza ivideo usupporta isitha sendoda yakhe, umuntu okhuluma kabi ngendoda yakho. Ayizange yenze sense. Abanye abantu baze baba nento ethi cha ukuthi laba kungenza ukuthi bayathandana indlela okwenzeka ngakhona, because kuyabonakala ukuthi uyamdefender and userious, willing ukubeka isibongo sikalo kuza defend esangaphi isibongo. So iMandla Commission ke ithe asikwazi ukufocusa kakhulu ekuthenini uphike ngendoda engasekho emhlabeni. Then waveza enye into ukuthi useke wakhuluma noBrown Mokgotsi. Uzokhumbula uBrown Mokgotsi ukuthi uattend case nayo oqamba manga ukuthi uhlaseliwe ngahlaselwanga kwase kuvuka nje umlilo ongekho lapha namhlanje usahleli ejele because of leyo nto leyo. Now uthi ngesikhathi kwenzeka yonke lento leyana wakhuluma noBrown Mokgotsi, and uyaphika ukuthi ubaba wa discuss lama case noBrown Mokgotsi because bebefuna ukubona ukuthi ingabe ikhona any relationship between ukuvulwa kwalama case kanye noBrown Mokgotsi. So kumuntu uBrown Mokgotsi wayeyiveza ezomuntu ozwana nominister uMchunu. So if siyakwazi ukuprove le part, that means so bese siyayithola le chain ukuthi ihamba kanjani kahle kahle. But uFidel uthe cha sasizikhulumela nje, so not because kwakungathi ikhona into etheni esikhuluma ngayo edibana nalama case kakhulu. Enye into ekade bemgrilla kakhulu kuyo wazi indaba kaSenzo Mchunu, because wathi eqeda kuvula ama case ungaphelanga namalanga amangakhi wabe segijima ethinta uMchunu njengomuntu ongumphathi wamaphoyisa ngapha kwezepolitiki, wamtshela ukuthi kunento i-challenges azo-experienceayo, so ucela ukuthi inakwe le ndaba. NoMchunu wabe seyisheshisa vele. So iMandla ngabe izama ukubona kahle ukuthi ingabe kahle kahle wawuyiplanile indvele lento ukuthi uzoreport eGoli then utshela uMchunu bese aba involved uMchunu ukuze kuphushwe lamadoda vele aphume ngaphandle. Now kodwa ke if uyayibheka lento i-create isithombe phela umuntu uyabuka uMchunu Friday kuzwakala iVN yokuthi bekafuna ukungcolisa igama lika Mkhwanazi kuze uMkhwanazi ashone phansi, and lo uFidel Adams uvula icase kudala ekuyivuleni kwakho ugijima kuMchunu ukuthi makamncede kusheshe le process. So ingabe i-coincident lento lena mhlawumbe iqondana nje kwezinto noma vele but uFidel yena uyaphika ukuthi cha beyingekho nje into enepolitiki phakathi la bengenza nje umsebenzi wami wokuthi ngivikele isithunzi sani sakwa crime intelligence, because bese kubonakala ukuthi ungazi ukuthi liyangcola igama lakwa crime intelligence. So mina ngibone nje ukuthi kuwumsebenzi wami ukuthi ngihambe ngiyosivikela isithunzi, ngizivikela ngokuthi ngivula ama case, and lama case mangwavula kususe odumisana laba phezulu laba bangcolisa legama lakwa crime intelligence. Enye into ekade kugxilwe kuyo kakhulu especially nge-20 Thursday bekugxilwe kwindaba yama documents aclassified. Ama-document aclassified ke kusho ukuthi akumelanga afike noma ezandleni zikabani, because kuyingozi lokho for amaphoyisa nabantu abasebenzisana namaphoyisa. So kuthiwa ke one of ama-document aclassified bewakhuluma ngoMajor General uNosipho Madondo, and i-question enkulu wazi ukuthi ke manje afika njani ezandleni zikaFidel lama document. Yena uya-insist ukuthi afaka ngaphansi komnyango, and uzokhumbula ngesikhathi bebuza umama uAndrea Johnson naye waveza ukuthi cha uyavuma ukuthi kuyiphutha elikhulu kabi ukuthi umuntu waseParliament angazithola esephethe ama document aclassified. so kuzomela ukuthi uAdams aqondiswe igwegwe uma kutholakala ukuthi vele wawathola ngendlela engekho emthethweni lama document. But uAdams akakwazanga ukuprove naye ukuthi ama document uwathole ngendlela eright. Into kade mekuyi ukuthi nje ama document lama documents classified afakwa ngaphansi komnyango wakhe. Enye into enginotisile about uAdams is that kunzima ukumlalela all over kudala nemadlanga emkhuza ukuthi sicela uphendule le question esikubuza yona. Yena kusho ukuthi strategy eze ngaso leso ukuthi uzobashaya ngokuthi aphendule into engekho, into esikhathi eside alokho ecacisa uzulahlekelwe interest or ulahlekelwe into ukuthi wena uthini. But bekubonakala nje kwasekuqaleni ukuthi cha lo mfo akayazi into ayenzayo, akaqeqeshwanga ngalendlela enough. And into engihlekisa kakhulu ukuthi kuyo yonke lento bekanento ethi ufuna ithuba lokuthi ayikumandla commission ezobabonisa. Wafika kumandla commission zaduma uze wavuma naye ukuthi hey kuyashisa la because bampholele nje futhi abamtatazela. I'm sure bekacanda kuseparlament la khona ukhulunywe kanti lapha unikwa nje isikhathi uhlale phansi ubeke ipoint yakho and uphendule lento ebuzwe yona, not lento ukuthi ukunotice ama politician mawabuza question enzima afuna uku-attack back, afuna ukwenza ube emotional. Ufika notice uzonotice ukuthi nalaphana bekanele lento ukuthi abize uMadlanga ngochief. And abantu abaningi bayilwileke le nto leyana ukuthi uyenzelana into nje yokubiza uMadlanga ngochief because uchief most of the time mawukhuluma nomuntu uthi hey chief usukumedelela kahle kahle usukungamhloniphi. So bekezela lo ma tactics ukuthi abakwatise ukuze begcine belontuza bephuma endleleni beluze interest kuyo yonke lento le. But wathola ukuthi uthole izifundiswa ke izinto ezimfunde esekude ukuthi okay nansi inkinga yakhe la then zamhlalela up uze wavuma umfo kaAdams ukuthi cha inkinga ikimi. That's why eze waveza amagama ethi wayuzwa la because uvela wabona cha lana bezikhona amaphisi amakhulu ade emuva but bekunguye kumele aqale lo mlilo so that kungavela abantu abathile ngemuva. So kuthe nge21 which is Friday ubese waveza ukuthi cha kuyabonakala ukuthi bengisetshenziswa la because after the 2 days bemgrilla nje bembonisa ukuthi ayidibane nento ayikhuluma sonke lesikhathi wagcina wavuma ukuthi cha kuyabonakala ukuthi iIDEC yamuse uyivumela yena washo ukuthi useyabelieve ukuthi iIDEC yamuse ukuthi ivula ama case against general uDumsana. Now yini emenza avuma ukuthi wayuza is because ngesikhathi eqhubha into zakhe ngapha neNPA le ephethe uIDEC ichitha amacala idlamacala abukho ubufakazi obu enough. That's why ngesikhathi bethi bayawachitha amacala bathe unconditional, that means akusho ukuthi angaphinda avukela umacala because ubufakazi abanabo so abakwazi ukuthi bethi siyawachitha lamacala okwamanje but sophinde sibuye but bathe nje cha asinalutho. So naye ugcine evumile ukuthi if after isikhathi eside kangakabelwa nalabantu laba but abatholanga lutho okurong kusho kona ukuthi kwakusetshenziswa yena kahle kahle ukuthi aqale lo mlilo ukuze uma seyizinto zishisa kushiswe yena instead of abanye abantu because namanje ubonile ukuthi uzithola elaphana but uma ebukela iMadlanga commission uyanotice ukuthi ziningi pieces ezimuvayo and abasamnaki nokumnaka bona labantu instead sebazenzela wonke umuntu useyiprotector yena okutheni egcine umsebenzi wakhe nje kuphela. And enye into bekukhona ukuziphikisa okukhulu kade kwenziwa uAdams bekakhuluma lokho aphinda ashintsha akhulume lokho aphinda aphikise lokho yana. So ububona nje ukuthi lo muntu istory sakhe akasazi kahle kahle ukuthi kwenzakalani. Nje example lento engishoyo uzokhumbula ukuthi kufika kaAdams okokuqala ngqa wafike wathi ilaptop yakhe inenkinga. So first day nje fika kuMadlanga commission kwahlalwa kuleyo ndaba bezama ukumprove ukuthi unamanga ukuthi laptop yakhe ibinkinga nokuthi ama message bengawatholi. So ekugcineni futhi yazi neparlament yancedisa yafaka imessage eshoyo ukuthi cha akusinjalo ubhuti unamanga because akubonakala ukuthi wakwayireporter but yena kumedia nakubheka khuluma indaba zokuthi na kanjani ilontuza wayireport ilaptop but ugcine evuma ukuthi cha ungumuntu oqamba amanga yena hayi ngoba kuthini but uqamba nje amanga. I want you to watch le video leni ezivumela yena ukuthi cha unamanga ne evidence leader yamvuma vele unamanga. That's why kwenzeka yonke lento lesi because unamanga.
Power.
So it was untruthful of you to say that you only saw the communication of October 2025 for the first time 3 months ago.
In respect of, yes, Chairperson, that now that I have all the emails, even my response in front of me, yes, The information I submitted was wrong.
It was untruthful.
Yes, Chairperson.
Adams spent the day reading out his statement, explaining how he came across classified documents in October 2024. Adams said he had opened his office door to find a brown envelope marked top secret on the floor, comprising at least 10 pages of personal and financial statements of senior officers. Adams then struggled to explain why he opened multiple criminal cases against General Dumisani Khumalo and others over alleged misconduct. He claimed he was acting on the advice of now late
Enye into yesibili eprovile ukuthi uFidel Adams akakhuluma iqiniso wazindaba kaCedric Ngabini. Uzokhumbula uCedric Ngabini ezinye zeingabi ezake zeza la kuMandla Commission. Yazi kusamele ngeke ngimkhave nayo uCedric Ngabini because bengakwenza amavideo ngesikhathi kusakhuluma bona kanje nabanye. Now uCedric uAdams mabembuza ukuthi uqale nini ukukhuluma noCedric Ngabini lo osebenzela ofisini lika Senzo Mchunu as minister wathi nge-1 November 2024 but iMadlanga yamnikeza ubufakazi obubonisayo ukuthi labantu babekhuluma kudala uNovember ungakafiki ku2024 but yena bekakhuluma ukuthi baqale ngo2024. So nalapho uphinde wavuma ukuthi cha wenzi and lonto lekusho ukuthi isithunzi sakhe silimele phela because if ekwazi uqamba amanga ngento ezincane kanjena kusho khona ukuthi kuningi aqamba amanga ngakho. So kufanele kwabonakala manje ukuthi i-character yakhe idoji kakhulu umuntu okhuluma iphikisa because uthe baqala ukukhuluma nge-1 November but makhamba isikhathi bambonisa ubufakazi waphinde wabuya wavuma ukuthi cha bekungasi 1 November vele kudala saqala ukukhuluma. So uyabona ukuthi kahle la bebe baningi abantu ade be interested kule nto adenza uFidel Adams but bebethume yena ngaphambili ukuthi makayoshayedwa laphana then kuqhutshwe ngami. And nginento ethi bamkhethe bemazi kuwo umuntu oseparliament, bamkhethe bemazi ukuthi nanga umuntu oyi-weakest link la esingamsebenzisa and naye wasebenziseka vele because bebe baningi abantu abangabakhetha but bebengayinika ne-EFF ifaka umlilo, bebengayinika i-ANC ifaka umlilo or inini but babona cha umuntu obhetha la nanga uFidel Adams naye wavela wangena ngenhlobo. That's why and if uyabheka manje kusho khona ukuthi nenzondo ade nayo for uMkhwanazi shuthi inzondo engafundile kahle kahle because bekafidwa information ethile lokho ebiza uMkhwanazi ngesigebengu ngani. So kuyabonakala ukuthi bekathola information wrong about uMkhwanazi kanye nabanye abantu of which ke manje kuzomela ke ahambe ke ayozilungisa kubonakala ukuthi kahle kwenzakalana. Now ngifuna siphinde sifocus kwenye contradiction ukuziphikisa ekade abhekane nako uFidel Adams. Uyabona into ebe interesting la ukuthi ngesikhathi ekhuluma uFidel Adams kukhona usisi ekuthiwa uDrosana Thanzamkhumbula lo sisi nje oIndia naye kade ekhuluma expose bonke labantu bakwa-IDEC. Uthe esaqamba amanga because babuzile kuFidel Adams ukuthi nanikhuluma ngani ngesikhathi nidibana nabantu bakwa-IDEC uqala nje ukudibana kwenu noDrosana wayekhona lapho so warecorda uDrosana. Uyabona bakwethu into ekumele siyifundela kuMandla Commission ukuthi recorda uma ubona ukuthi lento eniyenzayo ingahamba inifake enkingeni kumele nje uvele urecord uthi icwaka so that mhlazi shuba bekufaka ngaphansi abantu ube kanti nawo nento oyiphethe eyokuzidefenda because if abantu le phezulu abadiyana nobugebengu everyday babona kubalekile ukuthi barekhode njalo. So kubalekile ukuthi nathi sifunde thina esilaphansi ukuthi kahle kwenzakalana. So uDrosana Ramsamy uthe esakhuluma amanga laphana uFidel Adams ukuthi kwakwenzakalana laphana ingane yabantu yavele yasenda nje ilontuza yasendela iMandla Commission lama recordings ngoWhatsApp yakuthi fahla zaduma kwalaleliswa i-recordings. Indoda yagcina ivuma ukuthi cha kukhona into ezingafani engazikhuluma ngo2025 nale ngiyikhuluma manje 2026. So kuyabonakala nje ukuthi bebemhlahla nje lapha kuMandla Commission bembeka nje phansi ukuthi cha Nkabi yami awukwazi ukwenza lokho, awukwazi ukwenza lokho, awukwazi ukwenza lokho. But ke into engifuna ukuyenza ngisazophinde ngiyibukele futhi le update ka Adams nje sithatha amaphisi engiwabone interesting after ngikhave yonke lento lena just nje ukuthi sike sithi sibone ukuthi lana bekaqonda ukuthini la bekaqonda ukuthini because into ya 3 days lena ngifuna ngiphinde ngenze le video yami ibe ngama hours amaningi ukuthi uyibuke so sayithatha nje kancane sishama 5 minutes siposte shama 5 minutes siposte. Enye into akade bemdrile kuyo kakhulu wazi ubudlelwane anabo noGeneral uMkhwanazi. Baphinde bathinta nje kakhulu kwinto kaMkhwanazi ukuthi injani relationship ana noMkhwanazi. Uzokhumbula ukuthi kuma media yonke indawo uAdams uhlale attack uMkhwanazi ethi indlela acabanga ngayo ucabanga njengamaphoyisa akudala during i-apartheid yonke lento lena kanti uMkhwanazi waye-accuse Adams ukuthi wafinyelela kuma document ekungamelanga ngabe uyawathinta as umuntu ongenayo i-security clearance ongekakwazi ukuthi abone ezinye izinto zamaphoyisa. Into ekumele sizibuze zona ukuthi sike nje sizame ukuba fair ku-Adams, siyibuza ukuthi kuso sonke lesikhathi bekazama uku-achieve ini ukuze enze yonke lento, yini la adazama ukuyiwina kahle kahle. And singasho ukuthi okokuqala bekenza umsebenzi wakhe njengomuntu waseParliament, because one of izinto abasebenza ukuzenza ukuthi bethole information begibele phezu kwayo, and futhi beka believe ukuthi le information iyiqiniso yonke le anikwe yona. I'm sure bekanento ethi izobese le information imenze hero, imskorele amathuba for amavote eparty yakhe. Eseyiwinile uya-imagine nje as a politician uzokuthiwa sekuxoshwa abantu kwa-crime intelligence because of i-investigation or uxanduvo lathathwa nguwe ukwenza leyo nto leyo. Nokuthi ukuvula kwakhe ama-case wayebelieve ukuthi i-South African Police Service ngeke ikwazi ukuzi-investigate yona, so wabona makaye kwa-IDEC. So singasho ukuthi ubeka umuntu okade efuna i-accountability. Uma siba fair kuye sithi mhlawumbe bekafuna i-accountability, he wanted ukwenza izinto right, that's why wazi wathatha isikhathi sakhe wayovula nama-cases eGoli yonke lento lesi, because bekafuna nje ukuthi kwenzeke ubulungiswa. But ke uma siphinde simgxeka, singaphinde simgxenge lithi kuyo yonke lento lena kuyasolisa ukuthi wayithola kanjani information, because naye akayithembi leyo nto ukuthi vele ama-dockets afakwa ngaphansi komnyango. Ama-dockets aqumbile ngalendlela ukuthi adeke for ukuthi angangena ngaphansi komnyango, nokuthi ukuvula kwakhe ama-cases amaningi kuyasolisa, because ngeke uvula ama-cases awu-2 or awu-4 kanti elokuqala i-case alikamoshakala walinika ngisho isikhathi esi-enough ukuthi ubone bayadlala or benzani, because ngeke uvula i-case namhlanje kusasa ufuke emaphoyiseni niyadlala nina anwenza umsebenzi usuyovule i-case kwenye police station kusho kona kwawena unento ethile. And futhi nalento ukuthi ucommunicate nabantu abako-politics, abantu abale phezulu, kuyasolisa ukuthi yini ekwenza uzwane nalabantu laba kanti bona balwa izimpi zabo. And kuyabonakala phela manje uma seyiphelile yonke lento lokuthi cha uFidel Adams kahle kahle bekalwa izimpi zabanye abantu. So that's why ngithi in a way singamthemba, saphinde singamthemba, but isethe lingamthembi likhulu kakhulu kwendlula leli elimthembayo. And ziningi into ezikhulumile engicabanga xa sengiqala nje ukuthi ivideo ibe yinde kakhulu, but kuningi ade kukhuluma. Okunye bekukuphikisana nje lokuthi ungangibizi ngochief, ayeke ukubiza manje angechief athi ubhuta, angazobhuta mhlawumbe into yamakhaladi mhlawumbe mina bhuti or in but ke uyanothisa nje ukuthi bekukuningi ade ekudilwa nako namagama, i-definition yamagama yonke lento la.